Hey guys, I'm back. I'm about to start with Buick 66. Came with a 340 and a Power Glide. Now it has a 350 in it. Buick 350, of course. Buick powered by Buick with a TH400 transmission. So I'll just get the keys out. Old style. Put an electric fuel pump on it. You probably hear it in the background. When I started, it sounds like it's supercharged. So that's always fun. That whine though. All original seats, interior, everything. Headliner. I'm about to cut out the dash. Put two speakers back there. I lined that one up, and I'm about to line that one up because I only have one speaker right here. I replaced the front speaker. Yep. Starts right up. Power steering, air conditioning, power windows. This is basically a GS car, just without the GS motor. I call it the granny car because she sounds so quiet. She's so fast. Literally asleep. Got a blown headlight right there. I gotta change that. Manual choke. You can tell right here. I have to hook up the windshield washer fluid stuff again. There's a hole. This one holds right here. Goes to this. Push the button, all the fluid goes up to the window. Change the brakes, obviously. Add drum all the way around. A disc in the front, drum in the back. Mild carb, stock cam. This car is unlike the Vet, which has a heavy cam, heavy carb, gas guzzling monster. This one, on the other hand, is a nice cruiser. She'll go if I put the foot down, but she likes to cruise. She is a cruiser. Everything on this car works. Everything. AC doesn't blow cold, but I have all the parts. I just took it apart the other day. I have all the parts, just gotta put it on, but that's such a big job. About to get this interior done soon. Headliner is in beautiful shape. When we got the car, it was locked. I had to lock the motor, so I actually threw it out. Signals work. The bulb's blown, but it works. That's the other thing about these old cars. When the signal light, when the light is not blinking, it'll stay on. Like you see how that light's blinking? It'll just stay illuminated yellow when it's not working. But one mirror, no mirror on the other side. People ask me how I can drive it. I've been doing this since I was 8. Easy stuff. Love this car, man. I drove this car all summer last year and I miss it. Gotta get the right emblem. That came off like a Buick Century, like a 90 or something like that. Yep. One day I'll take her out, wash her. Yep. Cigarette lighter burned up. That's like the only imperfection on the dash. Wipers work, washer works, lights all work. Radio used to come on, but now the power's going to a radio we have in the glove box. I can get it open. So. This radio is actually hooked up to auxiliary, so it always has power.
Checked your Google results lately? No. With ReputationDefender.com.
105.1 always got music on. See what they got out today. Got a cookie in the back. This car is full of goodies. That's the big boombox right there. It's got 1500 watt amp in the back. And it's playing straight off the battery. Which means no fuse, so all lights flicker. So yep, that's it for my 66 Skylark. She's a beauty. She could also be a beast. Gotta make sure that's closed. I wanna have a dead battery. Yep. Awesome. Touch-up kit out, guys. See y'all later. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Like, subscribe, you know what to do. Peace.